Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. This week we are staying in the psychological realm and turning our focus to stress management. Let me make this clear. Stress is a normal part of life. You can't avoid it, you can't escape it. The key is managing it, identifying your stressors and identifying your response mechanisms to those stressors. Okay, and so while stress in itself is certainly psychological, we know that there's so many physical impacts from stress. So again, the key here is just learning what triggers you and identifying healthy ways to manage that stress. This week's pretty much business as usual. We've got this intro video, your PowerPoint, your labs, your quiz, and your checklist. Guys, I realize some of these quizzes are pretty long. Remember though, it's a 3-hour course in terms of contact hours, and they're pretty easy. You know, as I've tried to narrow some of the questions down. Some of the quizzes are supposed to be longer than what I've put up there, but what I found is that there's so much important content that I really don't want to cut any critical or important pieces out. So bear with me there. Also with the quizzes, I'm not sure if I made this clear. You can continue correcting incorrect responses so you get an A. So at the end of the day, every person in this class should have an A in Health 110. If you don't, then I hate to put it this way, but it's just a little bit of laziness on your part because I don't limit the number of responses. Well, I do, but I think you get like 4 responses, 3 or 4, so you should be able to come up with the answer then. Again, if you have any questions, just to email away. I'm happy to help. In fact, I've enjoyed the discussions that I've been able to have with the few folks that have reached out to me this week. I want to remind you again also, make sure you're paying attention to your checklist. Don't be this guy, which is me, where they're all white. They should be filled completely in. That way you know you've completed everything. And just remember also is key each week making sure you're clicking on every link in that section. Okay, that's how your bar gets filled. Clicking on the links and then making any submissions that you need to. All right, I've rambled enough. Happy Super Bowl Sunday to everyone. I don't really have a dog in the fight. I'm pretty impressed with San Fran and how they're running the ball and the defense they're playing, but I think Mahomes is a pretty special athlete, and I enjoy watching him play. So I'm looking forward to a good game tonight. Take care. Have a great week. Bye-bye.